Look at the first question. This is the 2018 paper, Western Province paper, second term test. The first question, look at of the first part. What is the common characteristic of living organisms which is specific to plants? Right, only specific to plants. What is the common characteristic? Movement, respiration, synthesis of food, growth. What is the correct answer? Did you write the answer? Don't you write? Sorry?
Synthesis of food.
Synthesis of food. That means the photosynthesis process about given this part. Movement, respiration, growth, we can see all organisms, but you have to select the answer for this question only the specific to plants. Again, plants වල විතරක් තියෙන characteristic එකක් තමයි අහන්නේ. So the answer is synthesis of food. Right, you give the answers. Second question, look at what is the liquid that has a mass and which occupies space. Right, what is the liquid? Okay, can you tell me if the things has a mass and occupies space, which name we can give for it? What is the term of the things we can give? Which one definition? This one has a mass and occupy the space. Matter, no? Right, matter. එහෙනම් අපෙන් අහන්නේ matter එකක් liquid form එකේ තියෙන matter එකක්. Okay, milk, water vapor, smoke, air. What is the suitable answer for this question? Liquid form.
Milk.
Milk. Right, then look at the third one. Apertures of the following, which one is used to measure the volume of a liquid in the laboratory? Using which instrument we can measure the volume in the laboratory? Watch glass, measuring cylinder, spring balance, test tube. Which one is used?
Measuring cylinder.
Measuring cylinder. Right, measuring cylinder. Can you tell me spring balance used for which purpose? Spring balance එක අපිට මොකටද අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ? To measure the mass. Right, මොන හරි ස්කන්ධයක් බරක් මැනගන්න තමයි අපිට measuring balance එක අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ. Spring balance එක අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ. Right, spring balance කියන එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්න වෙත් සමහරට නේද? මෙන්න මේ විදිහ එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Spring balance. right, ඔන්න ඕක තමයි spring balance කියලා කියන්නේ. right, අර මේ ටිකක් ලොකු බරවල් measure කරනකොට නේද ඔය ගෝණි එහෙම මේක එල්ලලා measure කරගන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා. ටිකක් වැඩි බරවල්. right, then look at the next one. Out of the following, choose the brittle substance: chalk, copper, clay, iron. What is the most suitable answer for this one? Brittle substance. Can you tell me what's the meaning of brittle?
That
Brittle.
can break easy.
Yes, break down into small pieces easily, no? What is the brittle substance? Which answer you select?
Chalk. Chalk.
Chalk. Yes, the answer should be chalk. Right, question number 5, look at. What is the factor which is not used in photosynthesis? Oxygen, water, chlorophyll, sunlight. What is the factor? Oxygen. Other 3 factors needed for essential, no, for the photosynthesis process, and also another gas essential, no, for photosynthesis process.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes. Carbon dioxide. Yes, Carbon dioxide also essential factor. Right. Question number 6. Look at, in Sri Lanka, thermal power plant is located at Kothmale, Norechole, Kalaniya, Hambantota. Where? Thermal,
Northwestern.
thermal power plant. කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ?
Northwestern.
Yes, Norechole, right? Norechole තමයි thermal power plant එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Can you tell me which one located in Kothmale? Which type of power station?
Wind power station.
මොනවාද?
Hydropower station.
Hydropower station. ජල විදුලි බලාගාර තමයි කොත්මලේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? හම්බන්තොට located which type?
Wind power station.
Wind power station. කැලණිය
Diesel power station.
මොනවාද? Railway
Diesel
station.
power station.
Diesel power station. Yes. That mean fuel power station no? මේ අර ඉන්ධන බලාගාරයක් තමයි එහෙ තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? Right. එහෙනම් thermal power station තාප විදුලි බලාගාරයක් තියෙන්නේ නොරෙච්චෝලේ. Right. Number 7, look at, in which response liquid and gas matter is given respectively. Right. First one should be liquid matter, then second one should be gas matter. What is the correct answer for this one?
Coconut oil and steam.
Coconut oil and steam, no? Second answer. Look at the copper and steam. Copper is solid and gas. Copper, water, solid and liquid. Water, ice. Water mean the liquid form, ice mean solid form, right? Then question number 8, look at, what is the practice which is responsible in preventing water pollution? Release of agrochemicals to river water. Is it correct one? No, it is the correct one. Water pollution prevent කරගන්න. ජල දූෂණය වළක්ව ගන්න. මේක හරියනවා නේද? Release of agrochemicals to river water. ඔය ගඟට එහෙම agrochemicals ටික දාන එක. හරිද? It is incorrect no? ඒකෙන් තවත් pollution එකක් නෙවෙන්නේ. Disposal of polythene and plastic containers to aquatic environment. ඔය ජලජ පරිසර වලට plastic polythene ටික dispose කිරීම, බැහැර කිරීම. It is correct or incorrect? Incorrect no? එතනනේ water pollution එකක් වෙන්නේ. Not releasing urban pollutants to drainage system. Not releasing urban pollutants to drainage system. What's the meaning of drainage system? කාණු පද්ධතිය. drain කියන්නේ මොනවද? කාණු නේද? drainage system කියන්නේ කාණු පද්ධතිය. ඒකට මොනවද දාන්න එපා කියලා කියන්නේ urban pollutants. Urban pollutants mean ඔය නගරවල එකතු වෙන අපද්‍රව්‍ය නේද? Release a factory pollutants to canal system.
Incorrect.
It is the polluted method, no? So what is the correct answer? Third one.
Third one.
Right. Number 9, look at, out of the following, which one is not considered as a fossil fuel? Diesel, kerosene oil, bifuel, coal.
Bifuel.
What's the meaning of bifuel? bifuel කියන්නේ මොනවාද? ඔය අපි rice brand කියලාත් කියන්නේ 10ක්. අන්න ඒවට තමයි bifuel කියලා කියන්නේ. නේද? ඒක අයිති වෙන්නේ මොන වගේ දේවල් වලටද?
Biomass.
Biomass. අකිනු මොනවද ඔය උඩද දාලා? Right. Number 10. Select the incorrect relationship. Cooking food, biomass. Ironing cloth, fossil fuel. Drying cereals, solar energy. Heating water, electricity. What is the incorrect relationship? Can you understand?
Second one. Ironing
Second
clothes.
one, no? Ironing cloth, fossil fuel. අපිට fossil fuel දාලා නේද iron එකක් use කරන්න බැහැනේ. iron use කරන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රම මොනවද කියන්නේ? Using the electricity.
biomass.
Right, electricity use කරලා පුළුවන්. And also the biomass, no? ඔය දැන් coconut shells use කරලා නේද? laundries වල එහෙම තියෙන්නේ. ඒවා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Fossil fuel we can't use. Right. Now we discussed there are 10 questions. Are you correct these 10?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then let's go to the next one. Select the answer in which water samples are arranged in an ascending order of their salinity. Right? Can you tell me the water we can classify according to the salinity? There are 3 types. What are the 3 types of water?
Brackish water, fresh water, marine water.
Yes, brackish water, fresh water, and marine water. Can you tell me which type of water has the high salinity?
Marine water.
Marine water. Which water has the less salinity?
Brackish water.
Less.
Fresh water. Fresh water.
Fresh water. Right? ඒ දෙක අතර තියෙන එක තමයි brackish water කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay. හරි අපිට දැන් එනවා ascending order එකට තමයි හදන්න තියෙන්නේ. Ascending order mean smaller to larger, no, of the salinity. Right. What is the correct answer? Which answer you select?
First, river water, well water, brackish water, sea water.
First one.
First one.
River water, well water, brackish water, sea water. Okay, අපි අනිත් ඒවාද බලමුකෝ වැරදියි කියලා. Tap water, rain water, sea water, brackish water. දැන් මෙතන sea water එන්න බෑනේ, sea water වල වැඩිනේ නේද? එහෙනම් ඒක වැරදි. Then this one sea water, brackish water, well water, rain water. වැඩිම එක තමයි මුලට දාලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒක වැරදි. Rain water, brackish water, tap water, sea water. Why this one is incorrect?
Tap water, brackish water,
yes, tap water salinity is less than the brackish water, no? So the correct answer is number 1. Right, number 12, look at. Given below are few statements about producing electricity from water. There are 3 statements given A, B, and C. You check the A. Energy flowing in water is used. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
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 අපි මේ flowing water වල තියෙන energy එක තමයි මේකට use කරන්නේ නේද? hydropower stations වලට. Power plant is located at very high position. Is it correct?
Wrong.
Wrong? Why?
Yes, sir. Correct. Tank is located in very high position.
Yes. මෙතනදී වැරද්දයි. මෙහෙම කිව්වනම් හරි. The power stations are located very high position. Power station එක තියෙන්නේ ඔය කඳුකර ප්‍රදේශවල. හරිද? හැබැයි මේ power plant එක තියෙන කියන්නේ දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ බලාගාර තියෙන්නේ කඳුකර ප්‍රදේශවල. හැබැයි ඒ කඳුකර ප්‍රදේශවල පහළ ස්ථානවල තමයි power plant එක locate වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. නේද? මම lesson එක කරනකොට මම හිතන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක discuss කරා. Right? Yes. This one is incorrect. Then the C, look at. Generator is activated by making a turbine to rotate due to flowing water. Is it correct or incorrect? It is correct one. Right? So what is the suitable answer? A and C. A and C mean the second one, no?
Second one.
Right. Number 13, look at. Select the correct statements. Only plants belong to biomass fuel. Only plants belongs to biomass fuel. Is it
Wrong.
correct or incorrect?
Wrong.
Wrong. Only plants, not
Wrong.
only plants, no? Plants and animal materials also we can get as the biomass. Electricity for satellites is obtained from solar panels. Is it correct?
Correct.
correct no satellite වලට කොහොමද electricity එක ගන්නෙ solar panel use කරලා it is correct one. Then also look at the next two answers. Use of excessive fossil fuel can be harmful to the environment. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
ඒකෙත් යම් සත්‍යතාවයක් තියෙනවා නේද? මොකද වැඩිපුර fossil fuel use කරනකොට ඒක environment එකට ගැටලු වෙන්න පුළුවන් අවස්ථා තියෙනවා. මොකද ඒ වගේ excessive harmful gases emit වෙනවා. එතනින් environment pollution එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. එතකොට ඒකත් ගැලපෙනවා. බලමු අපි most suitable answer you have to select. Nuclear energy is mostly used in factories in Sri Lanka. Is it correct? Nuclear energy in Sri Lanka used?
No.
Incorrect. No, incorrect. There are two answers suitable for this one, but more suitable one, which one? The second answer, no?
Yes,
Electricity for satellite is obtained from solar panels.
sir. අරක advantages වගේම disadvantages කියන දෙකම තියෙනවා fossil fuel වල.
ඔව් මේකේ දෙකම තියෙනවා. ඒකෙන් අර most suitable එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගන්න ඕන question එකක් දුන්නා.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, excessive mean what?
Excessive mean වැඩිපුර. බහුලව කියලා කියන්නේ. Excessive fossil fuel. ඒ කියන්නේ වැඩිපුර fossil ඉන්ධන භාවිතයේදී කියලා තමයි එතනදී meaning එක තියෙන්නේ. Right? Right. Then we can go to the next one, number 14. Look at an instrument that produces sound by vibrating membrane is violin, rabana, flute, gedji. What is the correct answer? Rabana. Can you tell me violin sound produced by vibrating which one?
By vibrating strings or bars.
Strings or bars. Flute
By vibrating air column.
by vibrating air column. A chain of bell, that means gedji. How?
By vibrating air column.
Air column gedji wala bars no තහඩුනේ එකේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? එහෙනම් කොහොමද? ඒකත් අයිති වෙන්නේ string and bars වලට තමයි. string නැහැ bars තමයි ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ. Right? Okay, then next one, look at number 15. After the out of the following, which one gives rhythmic sound? Thundering, sea waves, singing of the cuckoo bird, wind.
Singing of a cuckoo bird.
Singing of a bird.
Yes, third one, no? Most suitable answer, third one. Right, number 16, look at a special physical property of aluminium is hardness, malleability, ductility, elasticity. What is the correct answer?
Malleability.
Ductility.
Malleability.
Ductility.
Right. Can you tell me malleability mean what?
Ability to
Rolling in thin sheets.
thin sheet.
Ability to convert into thin sheet, no? Ductility mean what?
Ability drawn in thin wire.
Yes.
Yes, ability to convert into a wire. Right? එතකොට දැන් ඇලුමිනියම් වලින් ඕගොල්ලෝ දැකලා තියෙනවද වයර් හදලා තියෙනවා? නෑ නේද? හැබැයි ඇලුමිනියම් වලින් අර thin sheet තියෙනව නේද? sheet තියෙනවා. අර තුනී තහඩු විදියට තියෙනවා. Right? එහෙනම් what is the most suitable answer? Malleability. Right? Malleability example aluminium. Can you tell me ductility example which substance?
Copper.
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 Right? Copper. Okay, then look at the next one. Number 17. Of the following, which are produces an artificial sound? Flowing of water in a waterfall, playing a violin, howling of a fox, thundering. What is the correct answer? Artificial sound.
Playing the violin.
Playing a violin. Right. Number 18, look at select the group having only transparent material. What is the correct answer?
Clean water, air. Clean water
Yes.
and air.
Clean water and air. Number 19, select the pair of characteristics that can be used in classifying cockroach and spider using a dichotomous key. Right? Most suitable answer you have to select cockroach with spider. අපිට dichotomous key එකේ separate කරගන්න. Can view a cobweb, cannot view a cobweb. Cobweb. Can fly, can't fly, cannot fly. Brown color, gray color. Winds are present, winds are absent. What is the most
Wings are
suitable
present,
answer?
wings are absent. The fourth one.
මොකද? Which one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one, no? ඔව් දැන් අපි dichotomous key එකේදී මොනවද use කරන්නේ? සාමාන්‍ය මොකක් හරි characteristic එකක් person absent කියලා තමයි most suitably use කරන්න ඕන. හරිද? එහෙම නැත්නම් මේගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් දේවල් බැරි දේවල් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ colors ඒවා අපි use කරන්නේ නැහැ. හරි ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ characteristic එකක් select කරගෙන ඒක person absent විදිහට තමයි අපි use කරලා separate කරගන්න ඕන. Right, number 20. Which of the following attract toward a magnet? Brass key, aluminium wire, copper wire, iron nail. What is the correct answer?
Iron nail.
Iron nail. Okay, they are the first part, 20 questions. How many questions are correct?
20.
20.
All 20.
Right. Okay, they are the answers for these questions. Then we can go to the second part. Right, I will give few minutes to complete some questions. මං පොඩි questions ටිකක් ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියන්න time එක දෙන්නම්. මට screen එකේ තනි screen එකකට ගන්න පුළුවන් ටිකක් ඕගොල්ලන්ට ලියන්න දෙන්නම්, right? Okay, quickly can you write the answers for the second question? First one later we can discuss, no? Second one, can you write the answers? All of you. Part 2 කියලා ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ලියන්න group එකේ. ඊට පස්සේ number 2 කියලා දාලා answers ටික විතරක් ලියන්න. Right, I finished down the answers for the second question. Anyone still writing?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Finish. Okay, now let's go to check the answers for the second question. Okay, අපි question එක බලමු පුළුවන් තරම් questions. Right, look at the things around us can be categorized as matter and energy. Matter can be categorized as solid, liquid and gas. Right, a small description given. Then the first part, write two characteristics that differentiate matter from energy. Right, what are the characteristics we can write?
Has a mass and occupies space.
Yes, එතකොට characteristic දෙකක් විදියට ලියන්න ඕන. You can write number one has a mass and another one occupies a space. If you want also you can write has a definite shape. Right, has a definite shape. Right, then second part, look at answer the questions given below using that given list of items. There are 4 items given: glass, a knife, gold chain and gloves. Then the questions given like this: write a specific characteristic of material used to make. Right, specific characteristic mean hardness, elasticity, brittleness. හරි, අන්නේ characteristic ලියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Knife, what is the characteristic of knife? What's the characteristic?
Malleability.
Malleability. Right, knife mean what? Using the metal we can metal convert into thin sheet, no? So it is known as the malleability. Right, then gloves, what's the characteristic of the gloves?
Elastic nature.
Elastic nature. Right, also elasticity or elastic nature. Right, then third one, look at write an advantageous property of the material used to make glass.
Transparency.
Yes, transparency. Write a disadvantageous property of the material used to make glass. What is the disadvantage?
Brittleness.
Brittleness. Right, advantage එක තමයි transparent නේද? අනිත් පැත්ත පේනවා, ඇතුළ පේනවා. හැබැයි ඒකේ තියෙන disadvantage එක තමයි ඒව බින්දෙනවා. Right, බින්දෙනවා කියන්නේ brittleness නේද? Right, then fourth part, look at write another material which is similar to gold in physical properties.
Copper.
Copper, yes.
Iron. Iron.
Iron. What's the property of the gold? What's the property of the gold? මොකද gold වල තියෙන property එක? Ductility, no?
Yeah.
Ductility and also malleability. දෙකම ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් ඒ දෙකට අදාළ වෙන ඒවා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? Copper, aluminium, also we can write iron. Right, like that suitable metal you have to write. Right, fifth part, look at write 2 examples for matter in liquid state used in day-to-day activities. Right, what are the examples for the matter in liquid state? Day-to-day
Soap water.
which water?
Soap water.
Soap water. Okay, soap water. Then another example. What are the substance you use
Drinking
day-to-day
water.
life in the liquid
Bathing
form?
water.
Drinking water.
Milk.
Yes, water, right? Water. Then water හැම જાතියම ලියන්න එපා. එකක් ලිව්වහම ඇති water කියලා. හරිද? Uh, it is needed to day-to-day life, no? To body wash.
Coconut oil.
Yes, coconut oil. හරි දැන් අපි ඔය උයන තියෙන කටයුතු වලට නේද coconut oil ගන්නවනේ. එතකොට ඒකත් තව example එකක්. Right? What are the another example can you get?
Kerosene oil.
Kerosene
Kerosene
oil,
oil.
petrol, diesel, right? You can write two examples, okay? Right, then look at question number 6. There are two containers you can see. Then also you can see the inside the liquid. Mention the property of liquid. State that can be described according to the pictures given above. What is the property you can give using these diagrams of the liquid?
Has a volume.
Has the volume not? What's the shape of the liquid?
Why space?
They haven't the definite
Shape of the
shape, no?
container.
Yes, it takes the shape of the container. So what is the property? Liquids haven't definite volume. Liquids haven't definite volume. Also you can write do not have a definite volume.
So volume or shape?
Sorry, shape. Definite shape. Right, number 7, last part. Write the characteristic of gas when compared it with solid and liquid matter. Right, අපි gas එකක් solid liquid එක compare කරනකොට gas එකක නැති solid liquid වල තියෙන දෙයක් මෙතනදි ලියන්න ඕන. What is the suitable answer?
Has a volume.
Has a volume. දැන් අපෙන් අහන්නේ මේකේ gas එකේ හරි අනිත් ඒවාත් එක්ක compare කරනකොට gas එකේ. ඒතොර එයාගේ volume එක definite ද? Not definite, no? So what is the answer?
Has not
Do
definite
not
volume.
have definite volume. Do not have definite volume. Right. They are the answers. Then another one question can you do quickly within 5 minutes? Third question.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
මේ third question එක remaining part එක next page එකේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒකින්ද ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් ඉක්මනින් first part එකට answers ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මම අනිත් page එකට යන්නම්. Right, I finish write down the answer for the first part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's go to the next page to the remaining parts. Right, I finished now. Note down the answers for the third question. Anyone still writing? Finish. ලියන ඉන්නවද තාම? Right, let's go to check the answers. Look at the first part. A file clip which has fallen into a glass of water can get with the use of magnet. The first part, what is the special property of the magnet which is possible to do so? What is the special property?
Attracting something toward its direction.
Yes, attraction, no? Attraction, some things into its direction. Simply you can write attraction. Right, then second part, look at mention whether below given magnets are attracted or repelled. Right, the first diagram, simple A, repel. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ RE කියලා විතරක් ලියන්න එපා, සම්පූර්ණ ලියන්න repelled කියලා, right? The second one, what happened? Attracted. Third one, repelled. And the fourth one, attracted. Very easy questions, okay? Right, third part, look at name the types of magnets given below. What is this name?
U magnet.
U magnet. This one,
Ring magnet.
ring magnet. Right, next one, fourth part, look at write a way to keep the magnetic property of a magnet for a long time when using it. Right, can you understand this question? Write a way. ක්‍රමයක් ලියන්නලු to keep the magnetic property එක තියාගන්න of a magnet. මොකක් හරි magnet එකක නේද? For a long time when using it. ඒක use
Avoid
කරනකොට
heating the magnet and store separately.
Sorry, again you tell me the answer.
Avoid heating the magnet and store separately.
Yes, store separately. Right, and also you can write keep away from the high temperature. Right, high temperature එකක් තියෙන තැනකින් දුරස් කරලා තිබීම. And
Avoid
also
hammering.
yes, don't hammer it. Right, like this suitable answer you can write for this part. Then also you can write prevent from falling down. හරි, ඒ කියන්නේ බිම දාන්නේ නැතුව ඒක තබා ගැනීම. මොකක් හරි එක ක්‍රමයක් තමයි ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. Prevent from falling down. Then you can write keep away from the high temperature. Right, ඒ කියන්නේ heat කරන්නේ නැතුව මේව තියාගන්න එක. ඊට පස්සේ vibrate කරන්නේ නැතුව තියාගන්න එක. Right, let's go to the next part, part number 5. Look at the fifth part. A magnet is kept on a cork lid and get it float, right? This is the water, then this one the cork lid, then magnet keep on it. Simple A, it is observed that the magnet is directed towards the same direction always. What is the reason of it? What's the reason? හැමතිස්සෙම එකම direction එකට මෙයා direct වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒකට හේතුව මොකක්ද? What's the reason?
Magnet always stay in lies north south direction.
Yes. Magnets always lies north south direction. Right, then part B, look at same part B. Name an equipment made by man using the above principle. What is the equipment
Compass.
made?
Compass.
Compass, no? Compass. So the B answer should be compass. Right, next part, look at name on equipment with magnet used in generating electricity. What is the name of the equipment?
Turbine.
Electricity. Turbine, not the turbine.
Dynamo.
Dynamo.
So can we write geothermal energy?
No. This question is name on equipment, no? උපකරණයක් නේ අහන්නේ. Right? Also you can study in grade 7 class about the bicycle dynamo. හරි, bicycle dynamo එකක් ගැන study කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකෙදි වෙන මේ විදිය magnet එකක් තියෙනවා dynamo එක ඇතුලේ. ඒ magnet එකේ මෙහෙම coil එකක් මේ විදියට තියෙනවා. Right? ඊට පස්සේ මේ ඇතුලෙන් තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ විදියට iron rod එකක්. හරි, දැන් මෙන්න මේ කොටස bicycle tire එකට connect වෙනවා. එතකොට ඒ tire එක rotate වෙනකොට ඒ wheel එක rotate වෙනකොට මේ axle එකත් rotate වීමක් වෙනවානේ. එතකොට මේක rotate වෙනකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? මෙතනදී electricity එකක් generate වෙනවා. ඒකෙන් තමයි අර bike වල light එකක් light up වෙන්නේ. right? එතකොට මේක ගැන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට grade 7 එකේදී ස්ටඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. එතකොට මෙන්න මෙතනදී magnet එකක් use කරලා තියෙනවා. මේ තියෙන magnet එක. Right? Okay, they are the answers for the question. Okay. Question number 3. Right. Then can you write down the answers for the question number 4? There are 4 parts you can see of this page and another 2 parts the next page. First you write down the answers for these parts. Right, are you finished now? Note down the answers for the fourth questions. Anyone still writing? Finish?
Still writing, sir.
Still writing. Okay.
Finish, sir.
Right, okay. Let's go to check the answers. Right. Look at the first description given. Light is needed for all organisms as an essential source of energy. The first part, what is the mean by source of light? What's the mean of source of light? Source of light mean what? The object emits light. The object emit light. Right? ආලෝකය පිට කරන මොකක් හරි දෙයකට අපි කියනවා source of light. Right, then the second part, write an example for it. What are the examples for source of light? You can write.
Sun,
Yes. Sun,
light,
bulb, right? Anyone you can write. One example you have to write, okay? Moon, stars, then firefly, right? Light emitted mushroom,
glowworm,
right? Then you can write lighthouse, right? කැමති දෙයක් ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Part 3, look at. Write other needs to see an object clearly other than light.
eye,
Eye, right? There are two factors essential, no? The one factor is healthy eye, another factor source of light. Right, then fourth part, look at. You have to complete this table. Object can be categorized according to the amount of light transmission through objects. Complete the table given below according to the type of light transmission. Right? What are the three types of three methods of light transmission? Transmission.
transparent,
Yes, the first one given, no, transparent. Other types, translucent, and opaque objects. Then the second column given some examples you have to write. The translucent given Vesak lantern. Then transparent, what are the examples you can write? One example is glass.
glass,
Also
water,
clean water,
air,
air. Yes. And also transparent polythene, right? Any suitable one example enough. Then look at D. Opaque object, what are the examples for opaque?
Wood.
Cardboard.
Ball.
Yes, wood, cardboard, then
Metal.
black color paper.
Wall. Metal sheet.
Yes, metal sheet, wall. Right. One example you have to write. Okay. Right. Then we can go to the next part. Part number 5, look at name the light ray diagrams given below. Right. Which one you can see the light ray diagrams? මේ දෙකම නම් කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. What is the first diagram you can see? Light, which one?
Light ray. Light ray.
Light ray. This one is the light ray. And the second diagram you can see what? Light
Light beam.
beam. Right. Then the last part, look at give examples for some light applications given below. The first one in the medical field.
To treat wounds in the digestive system. To
Give example for some light applications given below. Okay. ඔගොල්ලන්ට ඕනනම් ඒ අපි apply කරන එක ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේකට apply කරන method එක ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරිද?
endoscope.
Yes, endoscope to use the internal parts,
Digestive system.
observe the internal parts of the body, right? If you want, you can write laser rays used for it, right? Then for communication,
Optic fibers.
yes, optic fibers, no? Optic fibers are used to communication purposes.
Sir, නිකන් optic fibers කියලා ලියන්න.
Oh, optic fibers කියලා ලිව්වත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Right, they are the answers for the fourth question. Then another one question we can discuss. Can you write the answers for the fifth question now? Question number 5.
Okay.
Right now, are you finished note down the answers or still writing?
Yes.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to check the answers for the question number 5. What is essential for all organisms in nature? Water can be seen in solid, liquid, and gas status. The following diagram shows how water is in liquid state. Look at water. There are three. I think you remember this part, no? According to the availability, we can classify the water into three groups. The first part, name simple A. What is simple A? Precipitation, surface water, and what is the other one?
Groundwater.
Groundwater. So the first part answer, groundwater. Second one, write two types of precipitation. That means the two examples you have to write for the precipitation. What are the examples?
Snow and
Rain,
snow.
yes,
Snow.
snow. Right, only two examples you have to write. Then also we can write sleet, then hail, right? Only two examples enough. Then third part, look at write two places where you can get surface water. What are the examples for the surface water? You can
Pond.
yes,
Pond.
yes, rivers, pond. Then you can write lake,
Tank.
waterfalls,
Tank.
tank. Yes, right. Two examples you have right. Okay. Fourth one, name the physical state of water of snow. What is the physical state of snow? What is the
Solid.
state? Solid. Mist. What is this?
Liquid.
Mist. Gas state, no? Mist mean what? මීදුම. Right? Mist කියන්නේ මීදුමට. එහෙනම් mist එකේ මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? Gas state of water. Right, next one, write two factors which are helpful in identify polluted water. What are the factors you can identify the polluted water?
Bad smell, decoloration.
Yes, bad smell.
Color.
Decoloration.
Bad smell. Then color or decoloration. Right, they are the factors, no? You can identify the polluted water. Then number 6, look at maintain a human activity in your area that cause water pollution. Right, water pollution වෙන method එකක් ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඔකට පුළුවන් ලියන්න releasing agrochemicals into the water bodies, releasing polythenes into the water bodies.
The water bodies.
Yes, lot of examples, lot of methods you can write, no? Right, suitable one method you have to write as the answer. Right, then next part, look at write a method you can practice to use water efficiently in your school. Right, ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ ස්කූල් එකේදී සුදුසු ක්‍රමයක් මේ ජලය නාස්ති නොකර පාවිච්චි කරන්න.
Turn off unnecessary tap.
Properly after using it.
Turn off unnecessary taps.
Yes, turn off unnecessary times of the taps, right? Unwanted time, you have to turn off the tap. Then
Close the
also,
tap properly after it using.
sorry.
Close the tap properly after.
Yes, also you can write use the bottle to drink water, bottle or cup to drink water. නේද? අර tap එක open කරගෙන අපි හැමම කට තියාගෙන බොන්න ගියොත් නේද? වතුර ටික අපත යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකෙන්ද අර bottle එකක් cup එකක් use කරලා drinking water. Right? ඒකට suitable method එකක් ලියන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay? Right, they are the answers for the question number 5. Then I think there are 4 main questions we discuss in this paper. First part, all questions, and second part, 4 questions we discuss. Then another 3 questions remaining, you do as a homework. Okay, homework එකක් විදියට කරන්න. මෙතන පොඩි lazy questions ටිකක් තියෙන්නේ. dichotomous key එකක්. ඒ ටික තමයි මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. ඕකේ අපි next day එකේ තියෙන remaining part එක discuss කරමු. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ ටික complete කරලා තියන්න. right. ඒ වගේම මම papers ටිකක් එවන්නම් maths වල science වල help වල help කරලත් බලමු. answers එක තියෙන papers ටිකකුත් එවන්නම්. එතකොට ඒවත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ self study කරන්න. questions ටික කරලා answers ටිකක් check කරන්න. right. Okay, now I'm going to stop the class session today. Next day we can discuss another some questions before your term test. Okay, right, then I'm going to stop the class. Thank you for joining today. Goodbye and good night all of you. See you next day.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. See you.